Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we give you the truth about beauty products. Today, we're talking about a face cream that's been getting a lot of buzz, Filorga Global Repair Advanced Anti-Aging Daily Face Cream. It's designed to help fight the signs of aging while promoting smoother, more even-toned skin. Sounds pretty impressive, right? Let's dive in and see if it actually lives up to the hype. Filorga's Global Repair range is built on some pretty potent anti-aging claims. This particular cream comes in a 50mm jar, perfect for daily use, and it's geared towards anyone looking to tackle skin texture, hydration, and tone. The brand's focus is on nourishing the skin, and this cream boasts a mix of ingredients that promise to do just that. It's got a blend of hyaluronic acid, peptides, and other potent anti-aging compounds, formulated to help repair and renew the skin over time. In terms of texture, this cream is rich but not overly heavy. When I first applied it, it melted into my skin beautifully, leaving it feeling nourished but not greasy. It absorbed well, which is key for a daily moisturizer. I noticed that the skin felt instantly smoother, but the real difference came after using it consistently for a few weeks. My skin tone seemed more even, and I did feel like it had a more refined texture, which the product claims. That said, it took some time, so I would recommend sticking with it if you want to see real results. One of the standout features here is the visible improvement in hydration. The cream claims that 100% of women saw more nourished skin, and I can back that up. My skin felt moisturized all day long, even without reapplying. However, I did notice that for those with oily skin, it might be a bit too rich to use in the summer, unless you're looking for an extra boost of hydration. If you have normal to dry skin, this cream will feel like a treat. In terms of long-term effects, I wouldn't expect miracles overnight, but if you stick with it, I do think you'll notice smoother skin and a more even complexion. 91% of users felt smoother skin, and I'd say I felt the same way. If you have deep-set wrinkles, you might not see drastic changes right away, but it does help to keep the skin looking plump and well-maintained, which is exactly what you'd want from a daily anti-aging cream. Now, let's talk value for money. At around $100 for 50 milliliters, this is definitely on the pricier side. But with its high-quality ingredients and the fact that it does deliver on its claims, especially hydration and smoothing, I'd say it's worth the investment if you're serious about anti-aging. You're paying for the science behind the formulation, and if you're looking for a reliable product to add to your skincare routine, it's certainly not a bad option. If you're looking for something similar, but at a more affordable price, there are definitely some alternatives to consider. Products like Olay's Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream or Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair might give you similar benefits for less, though they may not have the same high-end ingredients. Overall, I'd say Filorga Global Repair is a solid anti-aging cream, especially if you're looking to address skin texture and tone. It performs well for daily hydration and keeping skin smooth, but if you're after a product that dramatically reduces deep wrinkles, you might need something a bit stronger. If you're in the market for a luxurious daily moisturizer that helps fight the signs of aging, this is a good option, and I can see it working well for most skin types. Just be mindful of how much you need if you have oily skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.